Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench, making shavings. So, I did a longer version video of these woods, but I'm going to do a short one because I didn't want to bring you along for all the hand planing and stuff. So, first up, we'll start off with something easy. This little piece of wood. I have 4 pieces like this since April of 2012. And I think I did plane this one time before, but I just planed this surface, and you notice it has very little or no grain. It's fairly lightweight, very close textured wood, and so it would take fine detail. This, my friends, is holly, one of the whitest woods we have in the United States. However, you have to make sure you dry it quickly. I don't mean fast, I mean quickly, because you'll get these gray stains. These are not too bad, but I had some that went really gray. So that's holly. And this is perhaps the darkest wood that I have. And can you tell what it is by the shape? Remember what I said about wood turners. Everything they look at is to be turned. So this, my friends, like I said, is the darkest wood that I have. This is African blackwood, and this is a clarinet bell blank. So your clarinet bell would come out of this. And I don't know if you know this, but clarinets are made up of multiple parts, just like oboes. Not hobos, oboes. Then there's these 2 pieces. Also, like I said, wood turning wood. And these are covered in wax. But I did plane this surface. Can you tell me what that is? This, my friends, is Clara walnut. But now for this one. Now I've been planing this, and my nose is starting to burn a little bit. So it's an exotic. I cannot tell what it is. I bought it, and I know where I bought it. And so I wanted to plane it on 2 faces and the end grain. And I'm going to take pictures of it and send it to the vendor. Now, it is hard, it is heavy, and the texture is pretty tight. Probably would make nice hammers and mallets. So, I don't know what it is. I'll try to find out and let you know if I do. But yeah, I've got little odds and ends of wood like this all over. And I thought I'd take you along, share some of it. The Clara walnut is a beautiful version of walnut because it has like a marbling texture to it. And these are the only 2 pieces I have left. I had a lot more. So I hope you've had a good day. Mine has been a torrent, a whirlwind, a hurricane. It has been just had another doctor appointment, not a big one, just to follow up locally. and uneventful. And I had some workers here taking care of some heating issues for the house and a few other little odds and ends, getting ready for winter. So like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop and see if you've got little odds and ends around and if you can remember what they are. My Wayback Time Machine isn't working like it used to. Have a good day. Walter out.